बात होगी जी सबा हमीद या एक सुपर एक्ट्रेस. Yes, Sabah Hamid is playing Farhan Tahir's wife in one drama and his mother in another. Well, this is a tricky subject to talk about. The castings sparked a debate about age, realism, and female roles on Pakistani television. Well, Jalal Shardi called it an example of gender bias against aging women. Atika Odo questioned the choice, the casting choice. Or Jugan Gazim praised Sabah Hamid's versatility and acting skills. एक चैनल पर वाइफ, दूसरी पर मदर का कैरेक्टर. इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी हाउ दिस अनफोल्ड्स, बट ऑडियंस स्टोरी लाइंस ज़्यादा रिलेशनशिप्स कैलकुलेट कर रही होती है नॉनदलेस. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली टेलिंग यू, देयर वाज अ टाइम जब मैंने भी एक ड्रामा ऐसा किया था जिसमें वन ऑफ माई सीनियर एक्टर्स वाज मेरी वालदा बनी थी, उससे अगले में मेरी बचपन में जाके वाइफ बन गई थी. तो खैर वो उसकी बड़ी डिबेट हुई थी, बट नॉनदलेस इट इज़ हाउ इट इज़. आपकी स्टोरी लाइन्स और उसमें एज की बात नहीं होती, बेसिकली होती है कि हाउ टैलेंटेड एंड हाउ powerful you are as an actor and you can pull through this whole scenario. Debate तो आपको पता है कि हमारी social media काफ़ी used to है and they love debating, but nonetheless I think this was something interesting to talk about because age is just a number. It's all about how the actor would come out there and perform and outshine others. Well, Ehsan Khan's marriage advice, yes, एक motivational speakers भी बहुत हैं. Ehsan Khan भी, he's always been there, पर उनकी भी एक motivational speaking perspective में भी एक relationship advice दे दी उन्होंने. तो सोशल मीडिया तो सुन तो रहा था, लेकिन he said that husbands should support their wives' educations and career. He also believed men should never feel insecure if their wife earn more. He shared how he encourages his wife to learn baking, interior design, and become financially independent. He also said marriage should be based on partnership, respect, and growth. Real alpha male वो है जो वाइफ को डेफिनेटली एक साथ लेकर चले. It's never going to be कि किचन तक ही आपने छोड़ना होता है. वो वाली बात is pretty much outdated in terms of the whole scenario right now. A healthy marriage is surely going to be both of them working together. So more women and they are entering into the educational and professional side, and the strong partnerships can benefit for both family members and the society. So I think इस बारे में आप लोग क्या कहेंगे, but I'm sure कि आपके सामने जीती जागती examples बहुत सारी होंगी, आपके अपने घर में भी होंगी. But anyways, let's hope कि ये clash ना रहे और ये आगे बढ़ता रहे.